Hi everyone, it's Peckish Lulu here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a green chicken masala curry, which is a popular dish in both India and Pakistan. So I first had this curry a few years ago at a Pakistani restaurant, and I just knew I had to recreate it at home. And since then, it's become a staple in my cooking because it's surprisingly easy to make the paste from scratch. Also known as hariyali chicken, which literally means greenery. It features tender pieces of chicken cooked in a herb-infused and aromatic green curry base. So if you want to know how to make this tasty green chicken curry, then keep watching and let's get cooking. And now is the best part, which is tasting our green chicken curry. And I'm just serving it with some yellow basmati rice. I'm gonna get heaps of this beautiful herby green sauce to go with it. And it smells so fragrant. I can't wait to eat it. So when you take your first bite, it's like a herby and fresh flavor explosion in your mouth. You can really taste the coriander with a hint of the mint, and there's this beautiful spiced tanginess that comes with the garam masala and the yogurt. It's a really beautiful combination, and the chicken is really tender. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this green chicken masala curry. You can check out the full recipe on my cooking blog, peckishlulu.com, and you can follow me on my socials on Instagram and Facebook as well. If you have a go at making this dish, please tag me. I would love to check it out, and I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Stay peckish!